Sweet. All right, so we're at the parents' house. Now my buddy Wally here, and we're gonna be working on some conduit running for some different outlets and everything. We do have, the garage does have a decent number of outlets, but they're all down low on the walls and everything. But we've added a bunch of lights and everything to the ceiling. So to avoid having a bunch of lines that run down and everything, we're gonna be putting some outlets up on the ceiling. So we need to get some conduit run for that. So down in the basement, pretty much our main box in the basement is just past this wall. So this will be kind of the starting point for where the power comes from the basement. It'll go up on the wall, and then we're gonna run two lines running parallel with this blue air line that you see here. And then we'll run another one over here, same thing, parallel. There will be another airline there, another blue airline, same as the other side. So we'll have two of those. That's a new addition too that we're still working on. Got the hose reel here, and then we also have a extension cord reel here. So we'll need to put an outlet here, run conduit, and some junction boxes and everything on the ceiling. So that's gonna be what we're gonna be working on today. Got to get those ladders down over here, get those down so that we can use them, and we're going to be running the one line pretty much right where they're at, so those will have to eventually permanently get moved, but we'll figure that out. But let's get the ladders down and get working on it. Wait, let's do it. Quick, this box here was where we used to have a light so that's connected to the light switch for the garage lights. So what we're going to end up doing is just running that circuit into here so that we can switch on outlets on and off from the switch that's already run. All right, so by no means am I a professional conduit bender. I've really never done it too much, but check this out. We got our electrical box here that this reel will plug into and everything. Coming up to this junction box, a 90-degree bend, and then two offsets, 22-degree bends there. Awesome. I mean, that just makes me excited. You can see here we had a couple test bends just to get the offsets and just messing around with getting all the multipliers and all the offsets and all the math that the tube bending takes. progress today, actually. We got the bends here, so we got that box all the way to the junction, line all the way to here, which connects up to our switches, so we can have circuits on switches. Some of the circuits will be always on, but we do have the switch there. So running all the way out to here, which is where our power will come in, so that'll drop and then go down along the wall in the basement like we had talked before. We got a 90-degree bend here, another junction box. We'll have another line go across here for some heat sensors for like fire protection. And then coming across here, we'll have pretty much the identical thing on this side over here. But pretty good progress. Super excited. Thanks to my buddy Wally again helping us out today, especially with the electrical. Not super great at that myself, so it's good to have him here for that and everything. But pretty excited with all the progress we've done. Like I said, by no means professional conduit bender, really little experience with it, but we did pretty good. You can see here too, we got the offsets there to drop it down to get it all level, and that just turned out super great. So excited about all of that. Probably gonna call it a day here. Pretty good progress, really, when you're considering the fact that we've had pretty little experience with the actual conduit bending. But got some sweet hose reels. We got the electrical reel there with the box. That's just gonna be perfect when it's all wired up and finished. So, sweet. I love it. All right, well, that's gonna be it for now. We definitely have some more conduit to run that I showed you guys, but maybe a little bit till we do that. So, for now, I appreciate you for watching. Thanks for tuning in, and just be on the lookout because we are gonna have some more stuff. Just it may take a while. We'll see. But that's kind of how projects go sometimes. One thing onto the next. We might be working on the tractor so we can get to that side of the garage a little bit better. That might be coming up. So we got a lot of stuff coming. Just slow progress sometimes, but oh well. Thanks for watching.